Oh, hey Richard Petty. Hey, McQueen. Yeah. Step in this trailer. Sure, why not? Hope I did not have it terrible happens to me. Mr. McQueen? Ugh, what happened? No! Where's your dad? I'm sorry, Cruz. He's fired. So you're on my team now. Okay. Thanks. That wasn't even a question, dummy. Are you sure? Are you sure McQueen's okay being STP? Yeah, what are you saying? I would just look at him. STP! 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 He looks crazy when he keeps saying that. Well, he's a race car driver. He'll be fine. Hey guys, so you see my car keys? I guess you're right, but he's a race car. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Hey guys, I didn't know I do it, so I'm gonna do it again. And Chase Shaw will be your champion. Good job, Chase. You really got one champion. How do you feel? I feel different. Well, yeah, we know that, but how do you feel? I feel like retiring. Wait, Chase, you're not saying bye, friends. No, Chase. Goodbye. Dang it. Now, how about to get her back now? Boo! Ah! Don't worry, guys. I'll get your friend back. La 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 la. Huh? Retirement? Hi. Well, I'm already retired, so I'm just going here to visit. Hey, I can scare people. And to get back from racing. Oh, Jessica Turner. And that's why I retire. Whoa, what's that story? Said thing was finished. Chase is really getting on my nerves. McQueen, patience. Hey, talk at me that machine. Sure. Done. So explain again. How does it work? This is a mind racer. I'm gonna zap Chase and you forget all about his retirement. Oh, that's awesome. So what now? Well, you want Chase, he might explode. What? Explode? But don't worry, you forget all about his retirement. So, and then
here we go.
Boom. Yeah, that's right. Do this. Hey guys, there's a whatever. Blah. Well, that was different. Didn't work. No. But don't worry, there's a plan B. Plan B? Don't spill it, Royal. Don't spill it, Royal. Whoa. Are these Royal? No problem. 20 wrecks these guys. I'll give you 2 cheeseburgers. You don't wreck me, Daniel. Okay, never mind. Thank you. Anybody got bump draft you, Jackson? Rather not. Oh man, how do you get my tire? Holy crap! I didn't try catch this damn. Shut up, Cruz. La 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 la. Why am I trapped? Guys, what are you doing here? McQueen, this has to stop. So we have a solution to your problem. And why is why I had to waste my time doing this? So you forget all about your retirement. But my retirement is great. Sorry. That's okay. We're not really sorry, dimwit. Take this. No. Ugh. What happened? Oh, nothing. Ugh. Should I retire now? No, we need you. Well, how old am I? About 20. No, I'm not. For reals, though. 35. Yes! That means 5 more years till I retire. Yeah, that's great. I could change the world with this thing. What was that? Well, thank goodness Katana's dead. No, there's punch. Yay! This is why Richard Petty retires. Wait, you're not McQueen. Hey guys. Wait, he's an imposter. No, he's McQueen. Trust me. Okay, I trust you. And thanks for watching this video. Yes! Yeah.